Hello friends, now in this lecture we will see isomorphic binary structure. Algebraic shear, algebraic binary structure. A set S with together binary operation star and it is denoted by S star is called algebraic binary structure. For example, here R plus is algebraic binary structure. Definition. Two binary structure S star and S dash star dash are said to be isomorphic and isomorphic if there exists one-to-one function phi from S onto S dash such that phi of x star y is equal to phi of x star dash phi of y. That means there exists a function from S to S. This function is 1, 1, onto and this condition satisfied. Then we say that these two binary structures are said to be isomorphic. And it is denoted by, if such map exists, then it is denoted by S isomorphic to S dash. For here example, let U set of all complex numbers having mod Z is equal to 1. That means U is equal to Z belongs to complex such that mod Z is equal to unit circle point on Euclidean plane points in Euclidean plane on the unit circle. Center at origin and radius 1. In complex plane, if we take a circle, then all points on the circle. This circle is center at origin and radius. U with multiplication. Binary operation is multiplication. And second binary structure RC. X belongs to R such that 0 less than or equal to X less than C. That means all elements lies between 0 to C. C is any complex number. C is any, C belongs to R plus. C belongs to R plus. And here RC with addition modulus operation. That means here if you take R21 and 915 belongs to R21, 9 plus then 9 plus 15 is equal to 9 plus 15 9 addition modulo 21 15 is equal to 9 plus 15 minus 21, and this is equal to 3, like this. Addition defined this way. That means addition modulo C. Then these two binary structures are isomorphic. These two binary structures are isomorphic. Now, second example here, UN set of complex roots of unity. That means here if you take UN, Z belongs to complex such that Z raised to N is equal to 1 and set up all roots of unity. Then roots of unity are cos of m 2 pi upon n plus I sin m 2 pi upon n, where m varies from 0, 1, 2 up to n minus 1. If you take m is equal to 0, then cos 0 plus I sin 0, this get 1. If m is equal to 1, then first root is cos of 2 pi upon n plus I sin 2 pi upon n, and like this. These are n values, and take un with multiplication of complex number, and another binary structure is Zn addition modulo n. It is also contain n elements. Addition modulo n. Zn set of integers modulo n. And these two binary structures are isomorphic. These two binary structures are isomorphic. Then how to show two binary structures are isomorphic? First, define a map phi from S into S dash. Second, show phi is 1 to 1. That means here, if take phi of x is equal to phi of y and implies x is equal to y, to show x is equal to y. Third step is show phi is onto map. That means for S dash belongs to capital S dash, there exists S belongs to small s belongs to capital S, such that phi of S is equal to S dash for all S dash belongs to capital S dash. That means every element in S dash have pre-image in S. And fourth step, show phi of x star y is equal to phi of x star dash phi of y for all x comma y belongs to S. This condition, it is also called homomorphic condition. Okay. If four properties are satisfied, that means existence of mapping 1 1 on 2 and this condition, then we say that these two binary structures isomorphic. S dash star dash are isomorphic. Now, examples here show that example show that R plus is isomorphic with multiplication. That means set of real numbers with binary operation addition, and here second binary arithmetic structure is positive real number with multiplication. See here, define mapping phi from R to R plus by phi of x is equal to e raised to x. Clearly, this map is defined. If x is negative, then e raised to negative number is also positive. So this number must be belongs to r plus. This is not non-negative number. Here, now here phi of x is equal to phi of y. So 1 1. Phi of x is equal to phi of y. That means this gives e raised to x is equal to e raised to y. This implies x is equal to y. Now, to show onto here, for r belongs to r plus, r belongs to r plus, there exists ln of r belongs to r. Ln of r may be negative, positive, okay, depending upon r. And here phi of ln of r is equal to, by definition, e raised to ln of r, and this is equal to r. That means every element r belongs to r plus has pre-image, and pre-image is ln r. This belongs to r. So it is onto. And last condition, phi of x plus y is equal to e raised to x plus y. This is equal to e raised to x, e raised to y into here, and this gives phi of x into phi of y. Here first binary operation, here second binary. That means this condition is also satisfied, and so these two binary structures are isomorphic. Now second example, take and twice z plus. Define mapping phi from z to twice z by phi of n is equal to twice n, like this. Clearly, phi is a 1-to-1 map. If you take phi of n is equal to phi of m, this gives twice n is equal to twice m, and this gives n is equal to m. Now here, suppose here m belongs to twice z. M belongs to twice z. M is an even integer, therefore m can be written twice n, where n is any integer, and this phi of n is equal to twice n. This is equal to m. That means onto mapping satisfied. Phi of n plus m is equal to twice n plus m, twice n plus twice m, and this is equal to phi of n plus phi of m. This condition, last condition, also satisfied, and so these two binary operations binary structures are isomorphic. Here we see how to show two binary structures are isomorphic. First, define map. Second, this map, to show this map is 1 to 1. Third, show this map is onto, and last condition, phi of x star y is equal to phi of x star dash phi of y. Now, how to show two binary structures are not isomorphic? How to show? How to show two binary structures are not isomorphic? Are not isomorphic. See here, Z and Z plus both sets have same cardinality. That means both have the same cardinality, and take multiplication here, first binary option, second also in Z, x into x is equal to x. This equation has two solutions. Say 0 and 1. Here 0 into 0 is equal to 0 and 1 into 1 is equal to again 1. That means has a two solutions. But in Z plus, x into x is equal to x has only one solution, and this is 1. That means this equation has two solutions in Z and here only one solution. Therefore, these two sets not isomorphic. That means Z is not isomorphic to Z plus, or we say these two binary structures not isomorphic. Not isomorphic. Here, possible binary structures and possible non-binary structures. Possible structural property. Possible non-structural property. Possible structural properties and possible non-structural property. Set has 5 elements. Second, operation is commutative. The operation is commutative. Third, x star x is equal to x for all x belongs to yes. Like this. 4. X star x is equal to b has a solution for all a comma b belongs to yes. Like this. These are structural properties. So many listing. These are structural properties. Non-structural properties. Here, the number 5 is an element. Is an element Next, the operation is called addition. The operation is called addition. See, the elements of here are matrices. S is a subset of complex numbers. These are non-structural properties. The number 5 is an element of S, like this. 5 is an element of S. Second, the operation is called addition, and so many like this. These are non-structural properties. These are structural properties. That means each set has 5 elements. That means yes has a 5 element, yes dash also 5. This is structural property. Both operations are commutative, star and star dash. X star x is equal to x for all x, this condition satisfied in both sets. Also a star x is equal to b as a solution for all a comma b belongs to yes. These are structural and these are non-structural properties. Now, next definition. Next definition. A star is a binary structure. An element E belongs to S is called an identity element. If A star E is equal to E star A is equal to A for all A belongs to yes, then we say that E is an identity element. Then this condition, if we A star with E, we get again A. That means there is no effect on A by E. For example, here in R plus 0 is an identity. in R star with multiplication 1 is an identity, like this. And each identity is unique. Next theorem, binary structure. Has at most one identity. A binary structure at most one identity. That means unique identity. That is at most unique identity. Suppose E and E dash are two identities in yes. Then here, then E star E dash is equal to here E dash. Here E is an identity of yes and E dash is an element. We get this way. Again, E star E dash is equal to E. Here E dash is an identity in yes and E is an element. E dash is identity. In first case, take E is an identity, E dash is an element. In second case, take E dash is an identity, E is an element. Therefore, here we get E is equal to, from this, E is equal to E star E dash is equal to, again from this relation we get E star E dash is equal to E dash. That means E is equal to E dash. This gives E dash is unique identity. Okay, we will stop here.